Life insurance is a tool that allows people to save in a way to address needs in life that one salary payment cannot address. Now that's key. So we help you build assets over a long period of time. We also help to be there for you in the period of time when you need somebody to hold your hand. When you lose a loved one and you are not in the position to handle the financial impact of the loss of a loved one, or when a loved one falls sick at a time when you're not financially prepared to handle the cost of those medical expenditures. Or if whilst you're working, you probably have to be hospitalized, and your nature of your work is such that you make money on a daily basis. So if you don't go to work, then you lose your income for the day. Life happens every day. If we go to the Gayaza market or any other market around there where they sell fruits, people are selling vegetables, people who are working on a day-to-day basis. If they are hospitalized and they cannot go to work, and for that day they sleep in a hospital, their shops are not open, the stall is not open, they cannot sell fruits, they cannot sell vegetables, they lose their money for the day. That's why our hospital center product with Airtel exists. For people who have purchased this, any night that they spend in the hospital, we pay them up to 100,000 shillings for the nights that they spent in the hospital to compensate them for the money they lost on their businesses because they were hospitalized in the hospital. If you have a family member whose health is your responsibility because you are the breadwinner, so let's say your father, your mother, or a significant person depends on you for their medical expenses, we'd encourage you to get the Stanbic Protect plan, which is a health insurance policy which allows you to put your loved ones on it such that they can go to the hospital on the insurance card, which is financed by you. The EduSave plan allows you to save for a specific period of time for a specific sum assured. Now, what is the sum assured? It says that this is the intention you have in savings. If you finish this period of time, we would give you this amount of money plus any bonuses which would have come on board. Now remember, you might not have saved that exact amount of money. It is a guarantee that we are giving you. By the payment of your first premium, the EduSave guarantees that the amount of money that we have assured you, let's say 10 million, 15 million, 20 million, 100 million shillings, by the time you pay your first premium and your policy is issued, if next week Monday or next month something happens to you and you don't exist again, what happens? Prudential will take that amount of money we promised you and give it to your family members. Which means that by the payment of one premium, you have created an asset. Our funeral product ensures that if anything happens to you, your parents, your spouse, your significant other, your in-laws, people that if they pass, you have a financial contribution to their burial. The moment you get the news that they've passed away and you're able to provide the information we ask for, even before the funeral is organized, Prudential is able to pay the money to you.